Grabbing a still image in DaVinci Resolve is super easy, and what I'm going to show you works on both PC and Mac. Say I wanted to grab this still and save it as a PNG, a JPEG, or something like that, so I could use it for a thumbnail, for example. What I'd want to do is stop on that still. Then down the bottom, I want to select on the color tab, go all the way up to my image here and right click on it, and then select on the option of grab still. And then what you see is on the left-hand side, it pops up there as the still image. Then I can right click on it and then scroll down to where it says export. Once I export it, I'm just going to drop it onto my desktop as an example. And then I could save it as a PNG, a JPEG, a TIFF, a DPX, any sort of file. I'm going to save it as a PNG and then select on export. Then if I go over to my desktop, what we'll see here is that I have that image here saved as a PNG. It also saves it as a DRX file. I'm just going to delete that. But you can see here, I now have it exported as a PNG super easily.